Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this review radar video, I will show you how to fix Roblox not launching on PS5. Okay, so the solution is going to be going to your store depending on what kind of phone you have. So we're going to be doing this from the phone. So I am on Android. If you're on iOS, just go ahead into the App Store and download the Roblox application onto your phone. If you're on Android, of course, launch up your Play Store. After you've done it, just click on More on the bottom right corner, then scroll a bit down into the settings, tap on it, and now in here in the list choose security. Now in here in security, just basically press logouts of all other sessions button on the very bottom in this security tab. This will make sure that you are logged out from all of your devices from which you are logged in into your account, and this will hopefully fix your issue. Thank you guys for watching this small tutorial. If this helped, leave a comment, subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you very soon.